How to add Outlook email to mail in iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Outlook email to mail in iPhone. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is head over to your phone's settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on apps. Once you're here in apps, you're going to scroll down till you find the application of mail. So simply search for mail. Here it is. Click on it, and then you're going to click on mail accounts. Once done, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on add account. Here, you're going to choose outlook.com from the list. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to loginmicrosoftonline.com. And here, you're going to type down your email. Then click on next, type down your password. And just like that is how you can add Outlook email to mail in iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.